Welcome to AranEye, your global lens on cyber truth. Here, we uncover the latest in cybersecurity, AI, and digital threats, so you stay one. Avogadro Day is a celebration of one of science's most fundamental concepts, the ability to count the invisible. Named after the Italian scientist Amedeo Avogadro, this day honors the idea that even the tiniest particles, far too small to see, can be measured and understood through numbers. Avogadro's constant, a cornerstone of chemistry, allows scientists to quantify atoms and molecules, entities that shape our physical world but remain hidden from view. This notion of making the unseen countable finds a modern parallel in the digital realm. Just as atoms are invisible yet impactful, digital data flows silently through networks, forming the backbone of our connected lives. In cybersecurity, understanding and protecting this unseen world is crucial, as threats often lurk where they cannot be easily detected. Avogadro Day thus reminds us of the power and importance of making the invisible visible, both in science and in the digital age. October 23rd, 6:02 a.m. To chemists, it marks a constant, Avogadro's number, 602.523, the number that lets us count the invisible. But in today's hyper-connected world, we face another invisible universe. Billions of data packets, logins, and threats swirling through cyberspace every second. Today, we celebrate Mole Day in a whole new dimension. In chemistry, the mole helps us measure the unmeasurable. It bridges the microscopic to the macroscopic, turning atoms into numbers we can understand. Avogadro's constant, 6.02 gives precision to what our eyes can't see. It's not just science, it's a philosophy that even the smallest particles matter. In cybersecurity, our universe isn't atomic, it's digital. Every second, systems process millions, sometimes billions, of invisible interactions. Just like atoms collide in reactions, data packets interact across networks, and within this digital mole of information, hide anomalies, tiny, dangerous deviations that can spark chain reactions. A single malicious byte in 1023 safe ones can change everything. At AranEye, we built our systems around that same principle, to see the unseen. Through AI-driven analytics, behavior correlation, and real-time visibility, we identified that one malicious particle in a mole of data. Just as Avogadro gave chemists a way to count atoms, AranEye gives defenders a way to quantify trust and risk. Every click, every session, every transaction, another molecule in your digital chemistry. Without structure, it's chaos. Without measurement, it's blind. Without AranEye, it's undefended. Avogadro gave us the constant to understand matter. We give you the clarity to understand data. On this Mole Day, remember, security, like chemistry, begins with counting what matters. And in a world of infinite numbers, one overlooked particle can start a breach. AranEye remains dedicated to advancing cybersecurity and protecting what matters most in our digital world. As we celebrate Mole Day and recognize the significance of accurate counting, let's also remember the value of vigilance in safeguarding our data. Staying alert and informed is essential in today's ever-evolving threat landscape. Together, we can foster a safer environment for everyone. By combining scientific curiosity with a commitment to security, we ensure that every detail counts, both in chemistry and in cybersecurity. This is AranEye, your global lens on cyber truth. Stay alert, stay secure.